Hello viewers, this is Dr. Swati. Did you know that seasonal changes also could have an impact on our eye health? Today, we'll be running through a few common conditions that can happen during various seasons and how do we address them. Temperature fluctuations, humidity, the air quality indices, and the UV intensities, all of them have a role on our eye health. As we welcome summer, there's a lot of heat and there's a lot of humidity. With humidity and sweat, our eyes are prone for infections. Also, because it's summer, we would want to spend a lot of time in water pools, beaches. All these can put us at risk for developing corneal infection. A deadly one called acanthamoeba keratitis may even result in loss of vision. So apart from that, conjunctivitis, which is contagious, spreads from person to person. Spending so much time outside can spread through public places. Apart from that, the UV radiation results in sunburns. At the same time, it can burn our eyes as well, called photokeratitis. The heat also, the sun rays also puts our eyes at risk for developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration in the retina. As we progress, the next comes the rainy season, gives us such a relief from the heat, but the water, the dirt, this results in a lot of conjunctivitis again, which spreads through contact. Also, something called microsporidial keratitis, which is an infection of the cornea. People find themselves having lots of redness, discharge, watering, gritty sensation in the eye. What do you do in these conditions? Summers, make sure that you're wearing 100% UV protected glasses and wear those wide brimmed hats. Make sure the sunscreen is on. Try to stay hydrated, try to stay indoors. In the rainy season, make sure you're wearing protective glasses if you're stepping out when it's raining. Then comes the winter. Winter is known for dry eyes, indoor heating that we do, heaters that we use. The weather in general is quite windy and dusty. Every person who is a known dry eye patient always faces a flare during winters. Make sure that those tear substitutes prescribed to you, you increase the frequencies. Make sure you're not facing the heaters and the AC. Make sure your window panes are not open when you're driving. These are the protections that you can take. Then last is our spring. It brings in a lot of flower blossoms, but that flares up the pollen in the air, the dust in the air, it's breezy. So this triggers something called allergic conjunctivitis. This can be in adults as well as in children. In children, more common because their immunity is not well developed. So your child can have frequent episodes of redness, itching, watering, and a thin ropey discharge at the corners of the eyes. What do? You give a lot of cold compresses, use a lot of tear substitutes, and you visit the doctor whenever the allergy flares up. In general, to put it, a good eye hygiene is a must for all seasons, and that keeps our eye health at bay. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube.